that one. Let's take pictures of him like you want to do that.
Look at the bird there. You scared?
You can come. Smile. Smile if I touch you. I'm going to touch him.
You scared?
Huh?
Yeah, go touch him.
Huh?
Go touch him.
Okay. He won't bite me.
No, he ain't gonna bite you.
I'll hit the floor.
Fly. You can fly.
Yeah, he can fly.
Let me see you fly.
He was just flying.
He just flying.
Hey, Dejah was just don't know what to do.
Put the other bird out. Put the green bird out.
No, leave the green bird in there.
Smile. What?
What? Talk about what? Go get him, Daddy.
Come here. Let me take a picture of him.
He's running, Mama.
He's running. Come back, boy. Come back here. Come back here.
Don't scare him, Poo-Poo.
Huh?
Don't scare him.
You better come to the back. Come on, Ryder. Take a picture.
See, move.
What?
Watch your other bird behind.
Take a picture, bird. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. No, back here, boy. Back here, bird. Back here. That's another bird out. Another one. Another green one.
Hey, my baby.